Keep it moving, guys. We need this level.
Poured, phase 2 starts tomorrow. Initiating the final checks on the support brackets.
The alignment is perfect. We are ready for the next phase.
Final polish complete, initiating system lock.
Anchoring a super tall structure in the middle of the ocean requires establishing an unyielding foundation directly into the marine bedrock. Precision-engineered hydraulic rams exert millions of pounds of force to drive the initial guide piles through currents toward the seafloor. Autonomous positioning systems counteract the relentless ocean swells. They keep the primary footprint perfectly aligned. Diamond-tipped rotary drills are readied to penetrate layers of dense suboceanic basalt. High-frequency vibratory hammers begin driving the outer steel shroud deep into the ocean floor. Every millimeter of descent is monitored by AI sensors to prevent structural warping against underwater crosscurrents. Displacing thousands of tons of seawater creates a dry, controlled environment within the bedrock anchor point. Continuous dredging clears the interior sediment, exposing the solid bedrock needed to support the upcoming vertical mass. Prefabricated anti-corrosive steel rebar matrices are lowered into the shaft to form the structural backbone of the base. Robotic welding units seal the reinforcement joints with flawless precision to withstand immense hydrostatic pressure. The continuous pouring of self-consolidating, water-resistant concrete begins, laying the solid subaquatic foundation slab. Displacing the remaining water from the bottom up ensures the concrete cures without dangerous voids. The subsurface foundation cures into a singular, unyielding mass, capable of anchored stability. Surface preparation removes irregularities to guarantee an airtight seal for the upcoming structural layers. Heavy derrick cranes anchor themselves to the cured base, initiating the assembly of the primary structural nodes. High-torque fastening systems lock the base plates down, with forces measuring in thousands of kilonewtons. Continuous slip-form casting allows the outer protective breakwater walls of the skyscraper to rise uninterrupted. Self-climbing formwork systems rely on internal hydraulics to scale the building's perimeter without external scaffolding. A seamless maritime supply chain ensures a non-stop influx of raw structural components to the isolated site. AI-driven telemetry continuously calibrates the vertical alignment against the earthwater and oceanic tilt. Internal bracing corridors are established to distribute the immense dead load of the future upper levels. Specialized chemical coatings are applied to shield the structural steel from the highly corrosive salt spray. The megastructure's base platform is officially complete, providing a stable platform for the vertical ascent. Seismic and wave dampening systems are embedded directly into the lower core to absorb intense hydrodynamic energy. With the aquatic foundation secured, the skyscraper is primed to break into the open atmosphere. The vertical ascent begins as heavy-lift tower cranes take their positions within the central structural core. Heavy outrigger systems are deployed to tie the central core directly to the exterior columns for wind resistance. Automated logistics systems orchestrate the rapid assembly of the lower office and residential tiers. High-pressure concrete pumps force specialized lightweight mixes hundreds of feet up into the sky. The skyscraper's aerodynamic silhouette begins to emerge, engineered to deflect powerful oceanic gale force winds. Continuous automated welding eliminates human error in critical structural load paths. Every structural component is sequenced to maintain perfect center of gravity distribution during construction. High-strength mechanical fasteners provide redundant locking mechanisms, alongside primary welds. Reaching critical heights requires careful monitoring of high-altitude wind shear on the exposed frame. Satellite telemetry tracks the building's microscopic sway in real time to adjust construction tolerances. The advanced concrete core acts as a rigid anchor, leading the upward charge ahead of the steel perimeter. Self-climbing crane mechanisms shift their own weight upward, anchoring into newly cured concrete chambers. The megastructure now enters the upper atmosphere, where weather conditions become increasingly volatile. Post-tensioning cables are stressed to high capacities, pulling the concrete structure into a state of permanent compression. Structural aerodynamic breaches are framed into the mid-tiers, allowing extreme winds to pass harmlessly through the building. Heavy tuned mass dampers are positioned to counteract the dynamic forces of high-altitude wind currents. Structural complexity increases near the summit, demanding ultra-precise load balancing from the crane operators. Digital quality control systems verify the integrity of every connection before the structural phase concludes. The architectural apex of the tower takes its definitive shape, completing the primary vertical load path.
Slack it off!
The final structural crown module is lowered into place, capping off the massive vertical framework. Hundreds of thousands of tons of steel now stand, perfectly balanced on the oceanic bedrock below. Securing the top-tier connections concludes the primary structural framing phase of the skyscraper.
The structural skeleton is complete, standing as an artificial mountain rising directly from the sea.
Stripping away the heavy construction frameworks prepares the tower for its secondary skin. With the skeleton locked in place, focus shifts to enclosing and animating the interior of the megastructure. The installation of the advanced glass curtain wall begins, sealing the building against the harsh marine atmosphere. Automated glazing rigs utilize high-pressure vacuum tracks to handle fragile exterior skin components safely. High-performance thermal glazing begins to insulate the lower commercial zones from external temperature shifts. Industrial-grade marine sealants are applied to prevent any ingress of pressurized salt air or moisture. The internal infrastructure phase activates, transforming the raw spaces into functional, self-sustaining environments. Main power risers are routed through the reinforced core to feed the building's extensive electrical grid. The reflective facade is engineered to bounce intense marine sunlight away, reducing the building's cooling loads. Interior layout divisions are rapidly erected, using computerized light-gauge steel framing systems. Heavy mechanical systems, including high-capacity HVAC units, are embedded to manage internal climate control. Internal water filtration loops are connected, allowing the tower to process its own fresh water directly from the sea.
Progress on the exterior skin nears completion, shielding the delicate interior finishes from high-altitude exposure.
Ultra-high-speed elevator systems are installed to allow rapid vertical transit across the tower's massive height. Fast-tracking interior surfaces allows mechanical and architectural finishes to proceed concurrently. A high-speed digital backbone is woven throughout the structure to support integrated smart building AI systems. The exterior thermal envelope is officially finalized, completely isolating the interior from the ocean elements. Comprehensive fire suppression insulation is applied to ensure structural survival during extreme thermal events. vast multi-story sky lobbies are stabilized with secondary interior structural reinforcements. Computer-controlled ventilation louvers are balanced to manage the extreme stack effect inherent in super-tall buildings. Modular flooring systems are deployed efficiently across thousands of square meters of interior space. Redundant power arrays are locked in to guarantee uninterrupted life support functions in maritime isolation. Mechanical overhead networks are neatly concealed beneath integrated acoustic ceiling systems. Thousands of environmental sensors are activated, forming the sensory nervous system of the tower. Secondary vertical transport networks are completed to handle high-volume pedestrian circulation at the base. Rigorous safety mechanism testing begins on all high-occupancy transport systems. With the interior systems successfully integrated, the Ocean Skyscraper prepares for its final operational polish. Heavy construction equipment begins its final egress from the completed architectural envelope. Removing the external structural supports marks the transition from active job site to a finished asset. The apex of the tower is transformed into a high-altitude transport and operational hub. Robotic maintenance systems are initialized to clear construction dust and salt residue from the exterior. A pristine exterior ensures the maximum performance of the integrated solar harvesting glass. Exterior life safety systems undergo rigorous testing against potential maritime emergencies. The maritime transit portal is finalized, providing secure docking for incoming passenger and supply vessels. High-altitude safety beacons are activated to integrate the structure safely into local airspace. Demobilization of the maritime fleet signals the definitive end of major heavy industrial operations. High-end architectural detailing brings the interior public spaces to a state of premium refinement. The grand entrance stands ready to welcome its first influx of international occupants. Internal life support systems achieve stable equilibrium, providing a safe microclimate amid the sea. Structural engineering and architectural vision culminate in unprecedented workspaces suspended above the sea. The building's central AI core takes full autonomous control over all daily energy and waste functions. Integrated wind turbines begin generating clean energy directly from the wind currents passing through the frame. Multi-layered security matrices are initialized to secure the isolated offshore facility. From a submerged caisson driven into bedrock rises a self-contained vertical city. Final hydrostatic inspections confirm the building's permanent resilience against ocean tides. Logistical infrastructure transitions from construction support to active civil transport operations. The skyscraper achieves total energetic autonomy, powered by built-in solar, wind, and tidal system arrays. Dynamic exterior illumination highlights the tower's advanced geometry against the darkening maritime horizon. Internal stabilization systems perform flawlessly, ensuring complete comfort for the occupants within.
What began as an ambitious engineering blueprint stands as a historic triumph of modern architecture. A testament to human ingenuity and advanced automation, permanently anchored in the deep blue. The future of civil engineering has arrived, redefining the boundaries of where humanity can build.